kadai, add 2 teaspoon oil, add mustard half teaspoon, allow it to heat the oil, then add mustard half teaspoon, jeera half teaspoon. You can see the measurement spoons you will get in market if you order measurement cups and spoons. Chilies, green chilies 4, curry leaves. Green chilies you should keep in oil, so it should fry in oil, otherwise it will create the gastric. Some people have that complaint. Add ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. So everything fry it well. I have used 2 onion finely chopped. This is normal onion. If you want spring onion in front, you will get white onions, small. You can use that also. Otherwise, you can use normal onions. Fry it well. This is completely onion sabji. So it will be very tasty. You can combine with side dish like rice or jawar roti or chapati. It will be very tasty. Now you can add the spring onion, which I have taken from market and properly cleaned and cut it. So I am adding it. This is very easy and very tasty sabji. You can definitely try it, but don't add water in this. It should be fry itself. It should be cooked itself. Its own water will release. So add 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. For a little bit tangy taste, we can add the tomatoes. Otherwise, you can skip also. Skip. There is not an issue. Some people we used to add dal and all. Oh, that is it will come curry kind of. This is just fry we are doing. Add salt as per the taste, little bit hing and turmeric. Mix it well. And now we can close the lid and allow it to cook 2 to 3 minutes. So it will release its own water and it will cook nicely. Don't add extra water, otherwise taste will reduce. Very tasty recipe, easy and quick recipe. Definitely try it. Comment in the message box how is the recipe. And if you like my videos, hit the like button, share and subscribe. You can see this. Our spring onion is ready. We can add, if you want, coriander, chopped coriander. And you can mix it well and serve it hot with rice, roti, chapati. Roti means jawar roti, chapati. It will be very tasty. Definitely try it, guys. And comment me in the message box how is the recipe. So now we can serve it hot. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.